Hello, Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. For this video, we will guide you on how to integrate your Lazada store into the Ginee dashboard. After logging in, hover over the Ginee dashboard and click your Ginee email address found at the top right corner, then select Integrations. Once the integration page opens, click Add Store and then select Lazada. After selecting Lazada, a pop-up will appear and then click Start Sync. You will then be directed to Lazada's page for the authorization process. You will be asked to select which country you are from and input your Lazada account's email address and password. Once done, click Submit to complete the integration process. A column will appear that will notify you that Ginee has already synchronized your Lazada store's products and orders. This is the sign that your store has been successfully synchronized. Alright, you're almost ready, Gineers. Good luck!